Anything that says scenic byway, you know is going to be a good time.
I asked it. We're in Banks, Idaho, which is just a store. Not really open yet, but we talked to a couple gals there, really nice folks, and it's a major rafting river and kayaking.
Yeah.
And we slept next to it last night on a fairly busy highway, but
Yeah.
But we're in Banks now, and we're gonna cut across this scenic byway to Highway 93 and go up into Missoula. But it's gonna be, high elevation. They said the road should be good.
There's a lot of traffic on it so
Could
far.
be snow and stuff, but it should be a beautiful road.
Yeah, they must be logging up there or something. Cool, scenic byway. Here we come. Maybe we'll see some critters and stuff.
Critters and stuff. Where's the critter?
We got a critter. We don't need another critter, do we, girl? You're the only critter we need. Oh, you are too cute.
All right, here we go.
Let's get scenic.
Let's get scenic. That's a new saying. Let's get scenic.
That could be our new motto.
Sunglasses.
Yes, I just lost a pair, so now I'm down to one pair. I lost my $5 pair. This is my $6 pair, but they're not as comfortable.
Look at this.
Oh, it's just gorgeous here. And the weather,
Gorgeous.
the river. What river is this?
The Payette River?
Payette River. South Fork.
South Fork.
Ah.
I think.
And Dave got a 3-day fishing license, so
Yeah.
it's just cool. Oh, get it! Get it, girl! Oh boy! Oh, my feet are so cold. There's my little angel. I put my down booties on. My feet were so cold. fun.
Last time I did that was I think was it that White Sand National Park?
Oh yeah,
In the white sand. This was more refreshing.
I bet.
It was actually really cool. I liked it.
This is Banner Summit. I don't know what the elevation is. It might say right up here, quarter mile or so.
We've been climbing.
Whoop! I need to buckle. Do you need to use this bathroom? You'll have to blaze a trail. Oh, there's the elevation, 7208. There are so many camping spots on this highway. So many.
There's a lot of designated National Forest campgrounds, and then for the last hour or so, that section of road they said only camp where there was approved camping signs. So there's a lot of places that were just pull-offs that had approved camping signs, just camp for free.
Yep.
And then about 5 miles back, the sign said camping restrictions are over. So basically, like right here, we just pull off right next to this creek in this beautiful spot, and there's just little places to camp and
Firing in the creek. We're not gonna stay here because we're still at altitude and it's kind of chilly and windy up here, and we're wimps. But
we're wanting to go back down to 75.
Yeah, definitely want to go back down to 75. But Dave got the drone up here, so check out the spots. Definitely, this whole highway here is somewhere we want to come back.
Did you want to take a bath in the creek?
No, I felt that water. It is ice cold.
It was liquid ice.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
crazy. But check this out. It's just gorgeous up here, you guys. What do you think? Will this work?
Yeah, camp setup. This will work just fine for me.
This is the Salmon
River Campground. Just like 4 miles from Stanley.
North of Stanley, Idaho. Well, we're getting tired and hungry, and yeah, thought we might tuck in here for the rest of the day.
It's just about bear country.
Oh, bear country. It is beautiful up here. I think I'm gonna make some chili. And
What?
I'm gonna make some chili, and if you get the oven out, maybe we could have some cornbread. Does that sound good?
That sounds outstanding.
I need a sweater. We're still at altitude.
Well, when the sun goes behind clouds, it definitely changes.
Yeah.
Well,
All right, chili time. Cornbread rolling out. Let's see. It looks. Oh yeah, it looks good. Yep. Good. Done. Perfect.
Smells so good.
Hope the chili turns out.
We should have made some for you.
Dinner is served.
Thank you, dear.
Ooh, what happened here? A little mouse got in the cornbread. It was exquisite, though, I have to say.
No time for a knife.
No time for a knife. It's really good, though. This is not homemade. It's Jiffy. I have to admit, this time.
But it turned out perfect in our camp oven with the way we do it with the tile on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
We did it for this one for 20 minutes at 375 and it came out perfect. So
Yeah, it did.
if you're curious.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna, let's eat inside here because there's bugs out. Mosquitoes are out now. Yeah, we don't like bugs. You already ate, girl. Okay, y'all have a good night. We'll see you in the morning. Is it?
It's really good.
All right. Good morning, Pistol. You slept good. Because you bugged Mama all night.
Did she?
She wasn't bad. Just the usual.
Poke you.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a gorgeous day. It's still chilly up here though. Let's head down this mountain, see if we can't find some warmer weather. Does that sound like a plan?
And some more water. This is nice.
Yeah, so nice being on the water. We need to dump and fill too somewhere in the next couple days. I need some Wi-Fi. I'm getting behind on things.
Yeah.
We've not had Wi-Fi really.
A couple days.
Yeah, 2-3 days now. Just briefly, little pockets of it to check in, but that's been nice.
Yeah, we stopped at that town Stanley, which is only 4 miles from here, and had full bars of LTE. I thought, oh, we camp at this spot 4 miles from town. We can have Wi-Fi, can get some stuff done.
Nope.
Zero service.
That's even with our WeBoost booster. So in these really remote, rugged areas in the mountains, it just, if you get no service, you're getting no service.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, the best we've got is the other day we had 1 bar of LTE, and with the booster on it went to 3 bars of LTE.
Yeah, that's pretty standard if we do have 1 bar. But
Less than that is pretty nothing.
yeah, and that's okay. The most beautiful places are out of Wi-Fi.
That's true. Seems to be that way.
Always, yeah.
Shall we go?
Yeah, let's roll on down. Now we're heading down to, well, there's a few towns in between, but Salmon, Idaho we'll get to today.
Maybe that's an hour and a half or so. I'm guessing.
Oh, okay.
I assume we will. It's 9 a.m.
It's a little far.
Well, I think we're going to be heading through some twisty mountain curves for the next maybe 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll hit Highway 93,
Okay.
and that goes up into Salmon and then into Montana.
Cool, and then we're going to visit your family.
Yeah.
And then we might, are we going into Glacier? We don't know.
I don't know.
I guess you'll just have to wait and find out. Catch you on the other side.
Carry on.
Carry on.